If you are not aware of the best options present in the market for a folding electric bike, we are here to help you. To avoid the hassle of browsing hundreds of options to find the best folding bike, we have prepared this handy guide for the best folding bikes right here. Many products are available for foldable electric bikes, each with different characteristic benefits and prices to help you make an informed decision. After deep research, I read tons of reviews and completed a list of the best foldable electric bikes from reputable brands. I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Swagtron Folding Electric Bike, Best Value. It is common to see an intelligent variant in a product category driven by electrical power. Swagtron has also designed a smart electric folding bike, the most portable option on this list. Swagtron Swagcycle Pro is our list's most compact option today. This bike is so tight that you don't even need a bike rack to carry it around. With wheels as small as 10 inches, you can fold the Swagtron Swagcycle Pro and move it around in your hand with no problem. It's also a rather smart option compared to most other electric bikes, as Swagtron has also created a free-of-cost application to monitor the bike's status. Coming to the power specifications of the Swagtron Swagcycle Pro, you will get a 350 watts motor, which is pretty powerful for such a small electric bike. Thus, you can ride this tiny bike at nearly 18 mph without any issues. And since the power consumption is pretty low, it delivers up to 15.6 miles of range. Best features: it has 10 inches wide wheels. A 350 watts motor powers it. 4 speed options are available. It has up to 18 mph maximum speed. It offers up to 15.6 miles of range. Number 2. Ecotric Folding Electric Bike, Best Overall. If you want a middle ground between an extraordinarily compact and routine use electric bike, you can check out this folding electric bike from Ecotric. It also offers its users a great riding experience without any remorse. The Ecotric electric bike is one more terrific option that we have chosen for our list of the best folding electric bikes. It is a comparatively compact option than regular electric bikes since it features 20 inches wide wheels instead of the standard 26 inches design. Paired with the foldable design, you get a highly portable electric motorcycle that you can easily take anywhere you want. The Ecotric electric bike also does not disappoint when it comes to specifications. It features a potent 500 watts output capacity motor, offering a top driving speed of 20 mph. And with the 12.5 Ah battery driving this motor, you can also rely on the 21 miles mileage rating of the Ecotric electric bike to be achievable on almost all terrain types. Best features: it has 20 inches wide wheels. A 500 watts motor powers it. 7 speed options are available. It has up to 20 mph maximum speed. It offers up to 21 miles of range. Number 3. Anch ER Folding Electric Bike, Premium Choice. Anch ER is also bringing a standard-sized electric bike with the added folding option for easy transportation. Anch ER deals explicitly with various sports and fitness equipment worth checking out. The Anch ER Folding Electric Bike is another popular option on our list today that offers standard specifications and power ratings. It also has a potent and stable motor driving the 26 inches rear wheel to achieve a top speed of up to 20 mph. And to make the ride even more fun for everyone, it also introduces a versatile 21-speed gear system, offering many options for different landscapes. The lithium-ion battery of the Anch ER Folding Electric Bike is removable, and it comes off quickly before you can fold the bike to convert it into a storable unit. As for charging, you don't have to worry about that a lot since the battery of the Anch ER Folding Electric Bike can be fully charged within 4 to 6 hours. Once fully charged, it maintains the bike's performance for up to 30 miles long trip. Best features: it has 26 inches wide wheels. Assembly takes less than an hour. 21 speed options are available. It has up to 20 mph maximum speed. It offers up to 30 miles of range. Number 4. Hitway Folding Electric Bike. We have a couple more compact options to offer you for a folding electric bike on our list today. The following option from Hitway is also a pretty tight bike and offers excellent features. We have one more great option for an electric motorcycle that maintains a rewarding riding experience for the user along with a compact form factor. The Hitway electric bike is one of our most compact options from this list, offering 16 inches wide tires operated by a 250 watts motor. The motor capacity is kept low for this unit as it is meant to be a lightweight option. Therefore, the battery powering the Hitway electric bike also has a 7.5 Ah capacity. But even with that, it manages to offer a mileage of up to 28 miles, which is commendable. Plus, you can drive this bike at nearly 15.5 mph, which is not that bad. It is mainly an ideal pick for kids that are just learning to drive an electric bike. The quick folding mechanism of the Hitway electric bike is designed in such a way that it folds into half of its original length without any issue. Best features: it has 16 inches wide wheels. A 250 watts motor powers it. 3 speed options are available. It has up to 15.5 mph maximum speed. It offers up to 28 miles of range. Number 5. Papillo Folding Electric Bike. Papillo has also managed to bridge the gap between regular and portable electric bikes with this option. It also features many great qualities along with off-road compatibility. The Papillo Folding Electric Bike is also one of the few electric bikes on the market that features 20-inch wheels to support almost all types of terrains. Plus, you can ride this bike at up to 20 mph without losing control since a 250 watts motor powers it. And the 36-volt 6.6 Ah ensures you get at least 25 miles of mileage on even such a portable unit. You will also notice the dual disc brake system on the Papillo Folding Electric Bike, ensuring you always stay in control of the bike. Even with the compact wheel size, the Papillo Folding Electric Bike still offers a comfortable riding experience, thanks to the 2.2 inches wide tires. As for the build quality, this unit is made of aluminum alloy since it is a premium option from the lot. So, the Papillo Folding Electric Bike's frame can carry up to 55 pounds weight without any problem. Despite being a small bike, it is designed in such a way that it is compatible with 5 and even 61 heights. Best features: it has 20 inches wide wheels, a 250 watts motor powers it, 6 speed options are available. It has up to 20 mph maximum speed. It offers up to 25 miles of range. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, do check out my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below and stay updated with our cool product, as it will make your life much more easier.